In this video, I am going to design this model. The front view of this model is given and the dimensions are given, so I am going to design it. Name it exercise 1. I'm going to select my YZ plane, going to start the sketching, and now I am going to draw 3 circles. I am going to select the circle, first circle, the origin, then I am going to select circle, just draw 3 random circles, and then I am going to draw the line. I'm going to select this circle and anywhere on the second circle, then I'm going to select line, draw a line starting from this circle to anywhere on the other circle, and then I am going to select this circle and draw it till the second circle. Now I am going to add the tangent relation between these lines and these circles. So I'm going to select this line and press the control, select other line. I'm going to select the constraint dialog box and I'm going to select the tangency, and again select this line, press control, select this circle, and again I'm going to select this line, select this circle, and then I am going to select this line and this circle and add tangency. Then I'm going to select this circle, this line, press control, select this circle, and again select this circle, press control, select this line. Already had it. Now I'm going to move it here. It was here. Now I'm going to press this point, keep the left mouse button holding and put it here. Now I am going to add the dimension as the dimensions are given in the drawing. So I am going to select this circle. Dimension is given in radius. This dimension is 40 millimeter. Select this circle dimension. This dimension is given in 20 millimeter radius. I'm going to select this dimension is also 20. Now I am going to add a relation. This line is vertical, so I am going to select this line, select the constraint dialog box and add the vertical relation or constraint, and then I am going to this dimension. I am going to select this point, press control, select this point, add the dimension. This dimension is given as 160, and I'm going to select this point, press control, select this point and dimension constraint. I am going to select this reference line, press control and select this line and add the dimension. This dimension is given as 80, and then I am going to select this axis, press control, select this point and press the dimension constraint. This dimension is also given as 130, and I am going to zoom out, pan it here and select this point, press control, select this line. This dimension is given 150 and it's already adjusted, but if I am going to place this dimension, it will going to over define the sketch, so I am going to cancel this. And now I am going to remove the extra arc by trimming. So I am going to select the quick trim, select this. I'm going to select quick trim, select this. I am going to quick trim and select this. Now I am going to add 3 more circles. So I am going to select circle, place it here, select circle, start, select this center point, place it here, select circle, select this center point, place it here. And now I am going to add the dimension. The dimension of this circle is given and it's in radius form, so I am going to it's in diameter form, so I am going to select the diameter, and this dimension is 60. And then I am going to select this circle, dimension it. This dimension is given in 20. I am going to select this circle, select dimension constraint. This dimension is given in diameter form and it's 20. Our sketch is complete, so I am going to exit our sketch. To click on exit workbench, and then I am going to click on pad and dimension it 35 millimeter. So our design is completed.